Today we discuss the next topic, that is anti-tissue. First of all, what is the definition of anti-tissue? The agent which used in the symptomatic control of cough, it is called as the anti-tissue drug. This anti-tissue drug acting on the cough center present in the medulla oblongata of the CNS and depress this cough center. By depressing the cough center, they inhibit the production of cough and relieve the symptomatic control of the cough. This agent also called as cough suppressant or centrally acting anti-tissue. This is the definition of anti-tissue, the agent which are used to symptomatic control of cough by acting on the cough center present in the medulla oblongata of the CNS. It is called as the anti-tissue drug. The crude drug example under the category of anti-tissue drug is the Vasica. It is also called as the Adulsa. Adulsa, Adhatoda, these are the synonym of the Vasica. Biological source, it consists of the fresh as well as dried leaves of Adhatoda vasica. Adhatoda vasica belongs to family Acanthaceae. It is the fresh as well as dried leaf of Adhatoda vasica belongs to family Acanthaceae. Geographical source available in the India, Burma, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Then cultivation and collection. Vasica mostly grow in the loamy soil with the height up to 3 to 8 feet, width by stem cutting or by seed germination. It obtained in the all season of the year. It is mostly the heighted tree about 3 to 8 feet of height, mostly grow in the loamy soil by stem cutting or seed germination, available in the all season of the year. Then morphological character, the size of leaf or length are 12 to 20 centimeter and width are 2.5 to 6 centimeter. Shape are ovate, margin are entire, ventilation are pinnate, apex are acuminate and base are tapering. Whereas the surface are glabrous, color light green color, odor characteristic and taste is the bitter in taste. Then chemical constituent, Vasica contain the quinazoline type of alkaloid, mainly vasicine, vasicinol, 6-hydroxyvasicine. The leaf are also contain the volatile oil, betaine and vasicin. These are the volatile oil also present in the Vasica leaf, but the active ingredient are the quinazoline alkaloid, in which vasicine and vasocinol. These are the important chemical constituent present in the Vasica. Then the uses of Vasica is the, as we are discussing the anti-tissue category, so it is used as a anti-tissue, expectorant. Expectorant means which expel the cough from the bronchial region. They are also used as a bronchodilator by dilation of the smooth muscle of the bronchial region. They also act as a sedative which calm the CNS. Antispasmodic means relax the muscles. Anthelmintic, kill the worm. Vasicin also shows the oxytocin and abortifacient action by contracting the uterine muscle. They can use or they contract the uterine muscle, so this shows the abortifacient action. Leaf extract of Vasica are also used to cure the diarrhea and dysentery. They are also used in the diarrhea and dysentery to contraction of the smooth muscles of the GIT. So used in the diarrhea and dysentery also. These are the different uses of the Vasica. Second drug under the category anti-tissue is the Tulsi. The synonym of the Tulsi is the holy basil. Biological source, Tulsi contain the leaves of Ocimum santum, belongs to family Labiatae. Ocimum santum is plant के leaves है, belongs to family Labiatae. It is actually all herb are used in the medicinal purpose, but mostly as the leaves contain the maximum amount of volatile oil, so leaves are the prominently used medicinally. It is nothing but the leaves of Ocimum santum, belongs to family Labiatae. Geographical source, it is the annual herb found throughout the India, Morphological character: the leaf size is 2 to 5 centimeter long, 1.5 to 3.2 centimeter wide. Type is the simple. Shape elliptic, oblong. Color green. Order aromatic. Taste aromatic. Apex acute. Margin entire. Base again acute. Petiolate slender. Surface pubescent on the both side. Then the chemical constituent present in the tulsi leaf are: tulsi leaf contain the volatile oil. The important volatile oil is the 70% eugenol, 20% methyl eugenol, beta chirophyllene. Then cineol, the important volatile oil is the cineol, linalool, beta chirophyllene, methyl eugenol. These are the volatile oil present in the tulsi. Then the collection and preparation of tulsi oil. The leaves are collected when they are bright yellow colored. The leaves and the flowering top are collected and the oil are extracted by the steam distillation method. Then the uses of tulsi. The tulsi are variety of activities like hypoglycemic, means which reduce the blood sugar level, so it is called as the hypoglycemic. Immunomodulator, which modulate or stimulate the immunity. Anti-trace, means mostly useful in the trace condition. Analgesic, which reduce the pain. Antipyretic, which reduce the elevated body temperature. Anti-hypertensive, which used in the treatment of hypertension. Anti-inflammatory, decrease the inflammation. Anti-ulcer, used in the treatment of ulceric condition. Anti-tumor, that is anti-cancer activity or anti-neoplastic activity also. Then the important where we are discussed, that is the expectorant activity by acting on the curve center present in the CNS. So it is have anti-tissue property. The oil also shows the antibacterial activity against the mycobacterial tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Micrococcus pyogenes. They are also shows the antibacterial activity. So they are the large uses of the tulsi and the tulsi oil. This is about the tulsi. Next drug under the category anti-tissue is the Tolu balsam or balsam of Tolu. It is the resin obtained by the incision from the trunk of Maraxellon balsamum, belongs to family Leguminosae. It is nothing but the resin, which is homogeneous mixture of resin along with benzoic acid or cinnamic acid. So it is the balsam obtained by the incision from the trunk of Maraxellon balsamum, belongs to family Leguminosae. It is mostly geographically obtained in the Tolu region of the place near the Katarzyna. So it is called as the balsam of Tolu. Then morphological character. Description: this is soft, resinous, semi-solid mass which on standing turn to bitter and dark color. The color mostly are the brownish color or dark brownish color. Taste: aromatic, balsamic. Solubility: soluble in alcohol, acetone, chloroform, and partly soluble in the carbon disulfide. Then the standard value: acid value 100 to 160. It shows the alcoholic solution acidic to litmus paper, that is acidic, acidity test positive. Then ester value 40 to 95, saponification value 120 to 230, LOD loss on drying not more than 4%, alcohol insoluble matter not more than 5%. Then chemical constituent: as it is balsam, so it is homogeneous mixture of 80% of resin which contain free cinnamic acid as well as free benzoic acid. The resin contain are the type of alcohol resin, which are the acid of toluresinotannone. Toluresinotannone. The Tolu balsam oil also contains the benzyl benzoate, benzyl cinnamate, vanillin, eugenol. This contained in the oil. So these are the chemical constituent of the balsam of Tolu. Then the identification test. 90% of alcoholic solution plus ferric chloride solution gives the green color. Then the 1 gram of Tolu balsam plus 5 ml of water, boil, filter, add potassium permanganate solution and heat. Then the odor of benzaldehyde are produced. This is the identification test of the balsam of Tolu. Then the uses. The balsam of Tolu mostly used as a antiseptic, stimulant, expectorant. It is the ingredient of cough mixture. Then the balsam syrup are available and tincture are available. The ethanolic extract are also antibacterial activity against the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The oil is also used in the perfume industry, cosmetic industry and soap industry. So these are the uses of the balsam of Tolu, and this is about the anti-tissue category drug. We discuss first definition of anti-tissue, then Vasaka, the example of crude drug under the category anti-tissue, Vasaka, Tulsi, and last is the balsam of Tolu. Okay.